Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to get to Anse Royale public beach from the cruise port of Seychelles. This is the main street outside the port, and there is an ATM, also a place where you can change money. Remember to get points for the bus, as the bus will only accept coins. A taxi to Anse Royale public beach will cost €30, while the bus will cost only 40 cents euro per person one way. Keep walking as shown in the map until you reach the bus stop. The bus will run approximately every 20 minutes. Important also to confirm with driver about bus destination and if it's gonna stop at Anse Royale. This is the bus stop of Anse Royale. Anse Royale is a much better beach in Mahe Seychelles compared to other beaches like Beau Vallon or Takamaka, as there is not much waves and it's beautiful lagoon. The bus stop to come back on the cruise ship is just opposite of this one. The last bus is at 6 p.m. and the fare is still 7 rupees or about 40 cents. Enjoy your day in Seychelles and comment below if you have any other question.